In this Freshdesk step-by-step tutorial, I want to teach you how you can set up Freshdesk canned responses, which is actually a template. It can be email templates whenever you respond to your client. So what you need to do is just go over to the admins in Freshdesk menu bar and look for canned response. So let's type canned responses. And then when you go all canned responses, you're able to see this field. And then actually being separated into two. The general canned responses, it will be shared with all your other team members, where the personal canned response is most of the canned response that only you'll be using. And you can also, set up your canned responses and actually set in the different folders when you click the new folder. So right now, let's set up a new canned response. So just click the new canned response buttons and set up this title. So this title is very easy for you to look for the content. I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is later on. So this can be like, for example, customer. Or maybe I will just click payment. And you can put your message here, put your template message here. And then after that, you can put, you can also make it available, whether is it for yourself, you can put like a bank info. Okay, whether make it available only for yourself, all the agents in the groups, or all agents in the entire Freshchat portal. Okay, I'm just going to make it available to all the agents, and I'm going to put it under the folder general. If you want to put it under a different folder, you can create a different folder and move it to the particular folder as well. So let me just hit create. So remember, just now the title I was using like payment, right? So I want to show you guys how easy it is when you are replying to the ticket. Press this ticket, and when you hit on reply, all you need to do is just to put a slash, all right? So I'm just going to put a slash and write payment. Oh, sorry. I think that's a slash. All right, my bad. So you should put a slash, and we want to look for a canned response, just /C, okay? And then after that, it will actually appear this box, and you can just put payment, and the canned response will appear. So just need to put /C, means that for the canned response, and enter, and I just hit payment, and all this canned response will appear, right? So all this canned response will appear. So that's why you can use this info to kind of like think about what kind of canned responses that is being used by all the team members, and to arrange the title very strategically, so that it's easier for you to find for the canned responses. And also in Freshdesk portal, they are able to connect with Freshchat as well. So in Freshchat, it's like a web chat service system, so that you can have your visitors, website visitors, to chat with you on the go in the Freshchat. So if you are interested in Freshchat as well, you can check out the link that I'm sharing in the bottom down below in the description box. So in my company, we have implemented Freshchat and Freshdesk together, and it has worked awesomely for us. So I hope that this video of the Freshdesk video tutorial on how to set up the canned responses help you guys in a bit. And if you are loving this, and you can set up Freshdesk under my account, under my referral link, which is link.junlo.co/Freshdesk, so that you can ask me any questions and I can help you with setup or anything. All right. So I will see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.